Hi, I'm Bob. He's Jan, and that's Dave. And together we're restoring an A-26 Invader bomber with the help of some amazing volunteers. So come along and join us on this amazing journey.
Okay, we got the prop stand all painted, and we're ready to hang the props on it. Hold on. We've got it up in the air for the first one, and we're going to try to put that right on there, and then we got the other one over there. We'll flip this around and hang on a minute. Anyway, it's pretty impressive, the size of these propellers. With Jan in the background, he looks like a little guy, and he's actually fairly tall. Anyway, let's get this done. All right, 2 propellers, 1 stand. Man, you don't realize how big these are until you stick them up in the air. Holy cow. They're big, but they're sure beautiful. Okay. Another job out of the way. Okay, after we got these propellers up on the stand, we got here the next day and found this. Hold on. Big pockets of oil drooling all over the floor. So I talked to the guys, and they told me that they pressurize the propellers to 400 psi. And since we hung these up, what's happening is this is the residual oil draining out. So I'm going to strip this covering off of here, and we'll be able to see the blades for the first time in person and get them cleaned up, and it's going to be awesome. All right, I got these blades all unwrapped. It was really kind of surprising. Okay, so what's funny is there was basically no oil on the props. It just kind of migrated through this wrap that was wrapped around the blades. But man, they look awesome. They look even better without their clothes on. Anyway, onward and upward. Okay, so I'm up here on top of the wing with Jan and Kenneth, and they've been massaging the corner of our raft door. The bottom of this was all rotten out, and Jan and Kenneth have been massaging all of this to try to do a replacement for the skin, because it was just gone. To do that, somebody had already started making a repair in here, and that's why all of this is done. So Jan's worked out a way, but this is pretty cool how it works. There's a handle up on top if you had to ditch the airplane, and that gives you access to the raft if you needed it. But in addition to that, the pilots and the gunner in the back of the aircraft would have had the opportunity to pop that raft if it were necessary. Anyway, they're going to continue to do this work and get this thing so it is all repaired, and then we'll be about ready for all the parts that we still need to paint. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video this week, and we'll see you next week and see what else we can get done. Thanks for watching.